Welcome student to my channel Educare Maths and Science. Today now I discuss the application of the congruent theorem. Now the application, in which way we just prove two triangles are congruent. So that is the process. In which way, what is the process of writing and this thing. So first here is the topic is application of congruent theorem. কিভাবে আমরা in which way আমরা this one you know all this thing, you know different types of theorem in case of congruency, so we just apply and we prove two triangles are congruent. In which way, that we will discuss here today. Now here suppose the drawing is this. আচ্ছা এটা একটু ছোট করুন, this is very important drawing. Suppose this, here is this, here is this. Now we just sorry this one. The drawing is very important. Okay, clear? Now here this is P, this is R, and this is O, and this is S, this is Q. So this is given the drawing. Now given PR and QS, PR and QS perpendicular to PQ. That means PR is perpendicular to PQ. That means perpendicular. This is 90 degree, and SQ or QS, এটাকে SQ লেখা is perpendicular to this PQ. This is given, and this side equal to this side is given. So PR is equal to SQ. This is given. Okay, no problem. In case of books, in case of question paper, that is the same way. The drawing is given, the given data is there. PR is equal to SQ, and RP or PR or SQ is perpendicular to PQ. Then we prove these two triangles are congruent or not. Prove that, and one prove that. What is the question? Prove that. What is the question? Prove that O is the midpoint of PQ. And RS line. That will be proved. So data is given, the drawing is given here. The given data is PR is equal to SQ, and RP and SQ is the perpendicular to PQ. Okay, that is given, and it will be proved that O, this O is the midpoint of PQ and also midpoint of RS. That is the question given. In this question, in this pattern, first your target to prove two triangles are congruent. এটাই হচ্ছে তোমাদের প্রথম টার্গেট। এরকম ভাবে আমরা জিওমেট্রি প্রুভিং করি, that is the very important. So in which way we prove that? Just repeat. Say the drawing is there, PR and SQ is equal. This is RP and SQ is a perpendicular to PQ is given. It will be proved that O is the midpoint of PQ, and also same time O is the midpoint of RS. That is proved. That will be proved. So prove this first. Just what is the process of proving this? The first target is you have to prove these two triangles are congruent. এইটাকে prove করতে হবে. What these two type of triangle? This POR and SOQ. These two triangles are congruent. That will prove. This is the one way it is proved that. What is the one way? One way is this equal to in this triangle. Suppose you write POR and triangle SQO. SQO. In these two triangles, you know, in case of the congruency, at least three conditions. So one is this angle RPO, that is equal to angle SQO, because 90 degree equal to 90 degree. What is the given? Given the reason is the perpendicular. That means RP and SQ perpendicular to PQ. That is the reason behind it. Each and every case, in case of the congruency proof, the reason is very important. So my reason দিতেই হবে. What is the reason? So now this is two triangles. আমরা আলাদাভাবে একটা দেখাবো. Suppose this triangle and this triangle. This angle and this angle is equal, is 90 degree, because RP and SQ is the perpendicular to PQ, that is given. Okay. Number two, this angle and this angle is vertically opposite. So you write POR is equal to angle SOQ. The reason is vertically opposite angles. Clear? দুটো condition হয়ে গেছে. Now here is two condition is angle. So one side is necessary. So for that reason you write PR. It's clear? PR is equal to SQ. That is also given. Okay. So what is the process of congruency? Angle side. So angle side. The congruency proof in two triangle. Angle side. Here is also angle side or angle side. Clear? Angle side. Here is angle side. So two triangles are congruent by angle side. In case if there is a confusion arise, তাহলে তোমরা আমি যেটা দেখাচ্ছি, so in that way you also prove. দাও, no problem. এরম আছে, you know all these things. এরার জন্যই বলছি. If there is any confusion arise, so you first separate two triangles. This is perpendicular, so this is that one. No problem. This is O, this is P, and this is R. Okay. Now just separate two angles. This is perpendicular, so this is O, this is O. Now this is P is 90 degree, here is Q is 90 degree, so this is Q and this is S. Just corresponding. তোমরা খেয়াল করো. So this is very important. Which one is corresponding to this? P is corresponding to Q because this is 90, this is 90. So this angle equal to this angle because of 90 degree. This side PR equal to SQ. PR equal to SQ. SQ and QS are same. Okay. And the vertically opposite angle POR. This angle, this is equal to SOQ. এইবার তোমরা জানো. This is very easy. So now angle side. Clear? দেখো, angle side. So these two triangles are congruent by angle side. খেয়াল করো. Is clear? যদি ড্রয়িংটা এরকম হয় তোমরা কেটে নিয়েছো, জাস্ট ইউ কাট ইট for your better understanding. So these and these are vertically opposite. Already I say the reason is vertically opposite. This is a 90 degree, this is 90 degree, this is given because the perpendicular, and this PR is equal to SQ, that is also given. So these two triangles I write here, triangle POR congruent to triangle SQO, na SO, POR is equal to, here is QOS by angle side. But here is the question is not prove the congruency. Here is the question is O is the midpoint. You have to prove it. O is the midpoint of PQ or O is the midpoint of RS. So in which way you prove? Now coming is CP/CP. Congruent part of the congruent triangle is always equal. So this side equal to this side. So actually PO is equal to OQ and RO is equal to SO by CP/CT. Congruent part of the congruent triangle are equal. তোমাদের আমি আগেই বলেছিলাম repeatedly say if you just prove a congruency by a one process, then the other all parts are equal. If we prove that angle side congruency, then all side angle side all are equal. That means তোমরা যদি একভাবে যদি কনগ্রুয়েন্সিটা প্রুভ করো তাহলে কিন্তু অন্যান্য জিনিসগুলো প্রুফ হয়ে যাবে, বিকজ কনগ্রুয়েন্সি একবার প্রুফ হওয়া মানে দ্যাট মিনস if the congruency is proved one time, that means the two angles, their corresponding sides are equal, their corresponding angles are equal. That is very important. তোমরা যদি কোনো একটা ভাবে যদি কনগ্রুয়েন্সি প্রুফ করে দিতে পারো, that means all the sides and all the angles are equal, but the corresponding sides and corresponding angles. Okay, for that reason this is the corresponding side. For that reason PO and QOP, PO or QO is a corresponding side. So you write PO is equal to OQ or QO, same. Corresponding side RO is equal to SO. Corresponding sides are equal. For that this called the CP/CP. এইবার খেয়াল করো এখানটা PO is equal to OQ. That means O is the midpoint. PO is equal to OQ. That means O is the midpoint. Proof. And RO is equal to SO. That means this also O is the midpoint. So we write. So এখানটা বাড়ি so it's proved O is the midpoint of PQ at the same times RS. Proved. In this way we prove. Clear? Clear? এটা একটু অ্যানালিটিক্যালি আমি বললাম, এটা স্টেটমেন্ট লিখে আমি নেক্সট সাম আই জাস্ট রাইট ইন দিস স্টেটমেন্ট ওয়ে। ওকে, আমি বোঝানোর জন্য জাস্ট এইভাবে দেখাচ্ছি। ইজ ওকে? ক্লিয়ার? So this is the application of the congruent theorem, and in which way you prove these two triangles are congruent. If in the one way the two triangles are congruent, then the other parts of the triangles, corresponding other parts are equal. So equal, for that reason actually this equal to this and this equal to this. PO is equal to RO. You write PO is equal to QO. এবার ছবিতে দেখো PO is equal to QO. That means this is the midpoint. RO corresponding side, RO is equal to SO. These are corresponding sides are equal because already I proved the congruency by angle side. So side angle side, these are all equal. CP/CT part. So that means corresponding side and corresponding angles equal. তাহলে লিখতেই পারি RO is equal to SO. Here is দেখো drawing RO is equal to SO. That means O is the midpoint. এখানে একটা বলেনি, here is the question is not given, but this also right. one corresponding angles, that means this PRO এই অ্যাঙ্গেলটা, this angle এইটার সাথে ইকুয়াল, এটার সাথে this angle also equal to this angle PRO, that is equal to QSO, and the same angle QSO or OSQ, the same angle. Okay, so this for that. Now the other sum, clear? This is very important. So আমরা আস্তে আস্তে কনগ্রুয়েন্সিতে প্রবলেম সলভের দিকে যাব, আমরা প্রুভ করব in which way. Suppose a drawing is there. Now the sum, suppose a drawing is there. Here A.C.O, this is D, this is B. Okay, here is given this angle equal to this angle, this side equal to this side, and this side equal to this side. This is given. So in this triangle, at O is the midpoint of AB. Actually, this is a triangle drawing. O is the midpoint of AB, and O is the midpoint also DC. The drawing is a proof that. What will be proof? Prove that that is given. AO is equal to BO because O is the midpoint, and DO is equal to CO because this O is the midpoint of DC, and this angle equal to this angle. Prove that AC equal to BD. Prove that AC is equal to BD and AC at the same times AC parallel BD. Okay, that will prove, এটা prove করতে হবে. So no, this এটা কিন্তু given নয়, এটা prove হবে. So only given thing is this, is a drawing. It's a drawing. What is the given? Given is O is the midpoint of AB and DC. This is the given. Only this is given. As a drawing, O is the midpoint of AB and at the same time DC. This is given. এটাকে পুছে দাও. Okay, it will be proved that AC is equal to BD and at the same time AC parallel to BD. That will be proved. তাহলে এটা ট্রায়াঙ্গেল, দেখো এটা this side equal to this side, this side equal to this side, and but this angle equal to this angle is a vertically opposite angle. তো আমরা কিরকম লিখবো প্রুফের ক্ষেত্রে? প্রুফ যখন করছি, প্রুফ এখানটা আমরা লিখবো স্টেটমেন্ট. What is the process? Actually, this called statement, and this is called reason. এরকম ভাবে আমরা করতে পারি. First one, reason. এখানটা লিখছি in triangle AOC and triangle BOD, দুটোর মধ্যে AOC and BOD আমরা কি লিখছি? ফার্স্ট AO, এই ট্রায়াঙ্গেলটার ক্ষেত্রে AO is equal to এই ট্রায়াঙ্গেল AOC, এই ট্রায়াঙ্গেলটার ক্ষেত্রে এটা BO, because O midpoint, reason কি midpoint of AB, one given হয়ে গেল. এবার এটার ক্ষেত্রে CO, this side equal to DO, same O is the midpoint of CD. Okay, an angle AOC is equal to angle BOD because the vertically opposite angle is okay. So therefore আমি লিখতেই পারি for that reason triangle AOC is congruent to triangle BOD by order side angle by side angle side angle দেখো নাও এটা এদিক দিয়েও ঘুরে যাওয়া যায় সাইড অ্যাঙ্গেল অর সাইড অ্যাঙ্গেল সাইড এটাকে লিখতেই পারি না লিখে সাইড অ্যাঙ্গেল সাইড এটাকে পুছে দিই side angle side because this angle is between the two sides side angle side এটাকে নিচে লেখা যেতে পারে তাহলে আমি অর্ডারটাকে করে দিতে পারি এইটাকে এরকম করে দিলাম আমি অর্ডারে এরকমও লিখতে পারি নো প্রবলেম এট অল এটাকে একটু যদি সেই অর্ডারে লিখি এটাকে সুবিধা হবে তোমাদের বুঝতে সুবিধা ফর দ্যাট ইউর বেটার আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ডিং AO এইখানটা অ্যাঙ্গেলটা লিখলাম AOC is equal to angle AOC গেল BOD vertically opposite and now last আমরা করছি এটার ক্ষেত্রে AO হয়েছে CO is equal to DO midpoint O is the midpoint তাহলে এবার দেখো in order side angle side AO is equal to BO AOC is equal to this এই অর্ডারে লিখবে side angle side now CPCT then always applicable CPCT so আমরা এখান থেকে লিখতে পারি so CPCT that means other sides and other angle equal what is the other side AC so AC is equal to BD proved because by CPCT in one way the congruency is proved congruency যদি আমরা একটা দিক দিয়ে প্রুফ করতে পারি বারবার রিপিটেডলি আইছে তাহলে অন্য দিক দিয়েও করে other sides and other angle equal CPCT side angle side they prove so side angle side angle side they prove so other process also be proved that means if one way the congruency is proved then two triangles are congruent that means these two triangles are congruent that means each and every part of these triangles are equal corresponding sides equal corresponding angles equal here is the corresponding side this side equal to this side prove this angle equal to this angle so angle CAO is equal to angle DBO acha for that this is CAO same as OAC here is also OBC but this is equal but this is alternate angles very important thing this is this angle and this angle this is the alternate angle when the alternate angle equal that means so আমরা right alternate so AC parallel BD proved this is very important আমরা একটা থেকে একটায় চলে যাব because আমরা basic geometry we know when the alternate angles are equal so two lines are parallel here suppose this and this alternate angles are equal that means this side and these sides are parallel the basic geometry we know so here also first we prove these two angles are equal by CPCT in which way just prove it first one the congruency proof in case of the congruency proof so other sides other angle equal because of CPCT other sides and other angle equal okay clear now first you prove the congruent by a process is one way the congruency is proved so other sides are other angle equal because all sides and corresponding all angles are equal if one way the congruency is proved এইটাকে আমি বারবার রিপিট করছি তোমরা যদি একটা ভাবে কনগ্রুয়েন্সিটা প্রুফ করে দিতে পারো then the corresponding sides and corresponding angles are equal অন্যভাবে প্রুফ করা যাবে so for that reason this side equal to this side equal to this side so other side this side and this side equal So AC is equal to BD by C.B.S.E. The corresponding sides. This angle equal to this angle. Actually তুমি বলতে পারো এই লাইনটার উপরে this angle equal to this angle. Why? This angle equal to why not this angle? Because it's the same line. Because the same line. Same line. এইটার উপর ড্র হচ্ছে. So this angle equal এটা হলে অন্য লাইনে চলে যাবে. These angles and this angle on the line of AB. But it's not that. So this angle equal to this angle is not equal to this angle. This is very important because this angle and this angle is the same line of AB. So this angle equal to this angle and this angle equal to this angle because the same line. Now both are alternate angle. This angle equal to this angle equal to this angle. Both are the alternate angle. First angle are equal, but it's a what type of angles? Alternate angle in there. So this angle equal to this angle. So when the alternate angle equal, the reason background is geometry is very reasonable. When the alternate angle equal, you know, that means two lines are parallel. So AC parallel BD. It will prove AC is equal to BD and AC parallel BD. Proved. So these are very logical. Okay. So this is for the basic geometry. So this is for today. If you just understand this, please subscribe the channel, share the channel to the others. The next video I will just discuss the different pattern of the congruency of the triangles. Okay. Thank you, student. Thank you today. Thank you. Right.